Welcome everyone, you're cooking with Sil. Today we're going to make this lovely diner style omelette. What you will need are 2 eggs, preferably a large size, cherry tomatoes, a swig of green onion, some organic baby spinach, cooking oil, the healthy kind, ground black pepper, and some sea salt. Your secret weapon, a 6-inch diameter frying pan. You can now add your oil to the pan, just to cover the surface. Transfer your pan to the stove and adjust your heat to medium. While your pan warms, cut up your vegetables. Cut up your green onion into small pieces. Lightly chop your organic spinach. Dice your tomatoes. I like personally to dice them into small pieces. Carefully crack your eggs into your mixing bowl. Add some sea salt to your taste. Add some black pepper to your liking. Add your vegetables to the mixture. Use a utensil to combine your vegetables and your egg mixture. Add your mixture to the pan that has been warming up while you're doing your prep work. Check to make sure the surface of your pan is covered with the mixture. After about 2 minutes of cook time, check to make sure you can freely move your egg solution and then flip it over. After a minute of cooking, flip your fold to its opposite side. For my bread, I'm going to substitute that for this delicious croissant from my diner-style omelette. And there you have it, this delicious diner-style omelette on a plain croissant. Thanks for watching. You've been cooking with Sil. As usual, if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notification, and I'll see you on my next project.